screen share कर दो screen.
Okay, I start the recording and I am sharing the screen. Okay, fine. So this command, what it will do, it will enable the switch port security feature. So now what you need to do is very simple. Port security, right? Now they give question mark. See here, aging. It's aging time of the MAC address. For example, it's learning for 300 seconds by default, right? But it will reduce by some, you know, whatever MAC address. Aging, for example, give. This is what not supporting aging time. Leave that one. 1 second. Maximum. Okay. Use maximum first. Means, see, there is a two things. As I said, you can drop, you can put the port security for the particulars. Here, my note. Here, we are going to map switch port to particular or range of MAC addresses, right? Particular means what? Let's do that first. Means port security maximum. Maximum. You can put number 1. Okay, and enter. Or else you have a command switch port security. Okay, I have one more command. If you want to do particular, which is learning on the interface. Okay, you can put directly this MAC address, for example, source MAC address, MAC address, MAC address, and then you need to give a command sticky. Sticky means, what sticky means is whatever MAC address learn first, okay, that MAC address will be permitted only. Apart from that, if you are going to connect any other MAC address, then it will say like it will drop that PC and generate the log, right? It will put that port into irreducible state. So you can put as a sticky, means as soon as first MAC address will learn, and that MAC address will be used for the port security. Another MAC address will be dropped. Second method you can do that, like put the MAC address, sticky then MAC address. Then it will learn that first MAC address, okay, and it will check the MAC address as well. That is, MAC address is matching with that or not. Okay, means we will put the MAC address and only that MAC address will be permitted. As simple as that. That is the first. Second, I will see each and every. First, let's configure the sticky, and then we will move forward. Sticky only. Okay. So next command is we need to define the violation mode. For example, we have a shutdown, we have restrict, we have protect, right? So we need to define. If you will not define, what will happen? You can see here. Switch port security, give question mark again. So MAC address we have seen to define the particular MAC address. Then maximum. Maximum means we can define the range of MAC address. When you are using the range of MAC address, I will just explain you. Which maximum. Okay. See, 1 to 132. For example, 1 to 5 given. I have given the 1 to 8, for example. You will see 1 to 8, 1 to 16 like that command they are giving. So where you will use, let me explain bit. Uh, Here. So take this one. I have seen a lot of cases like that. So you have a switch here, right? This is the layer 2 switch, and one port is connected here. It's, for example, it's some lab user or where they need some kind of plain internet or any kind of networking which required for the lab purpose or other purpose, right? And they have multiple machines, right? Which is not that much of intelligent. They are using for different purposes. So generally, I have seen they are using as a hub. Hub means layer 1 device, which having like a lot of is coming, right? TP link and other modem, 1000, 2000, 3000, like that. They will get lot of port, 16 port, 8 port, like that, and they will connect their machines. And you know, machines having the MAC address. Any of the machine have MAC address. Okay, like that. So they will connect lot of PC. So they will, as per the our company policy, we need to enable the port security, right? Port security, we need to do that. In that case, what you need to do, you need to, that person, I mean lab owner will request us, like, configure the port security with maximum number is 8. So we will put 1 to 8. Sometime they later on someone came, I was getting a lot of requests like that only. So they said, like, now my users got increased, just increase the MAC address from 1 to 16. So we need to do that. So that, in that case, we will use maximum command, maximum range. For example, here, this maximum. So 1 to 8. So at the time, 1 to 8 PC can communicate. If ninth number someone connect, in that case, it will drop the packet. As simple as that, right? Then anything else is remaining? Okay. One more thing. That is violation mode. Port security violation. See, violation. Violation.
हेलो
Violation.
इरफान भाई
हाँ भाई.
वन
Tell me,
टू
tell
एट
me.
मीन्स फर्स्ट जो पहले 8 आ जाएंगे जो
Total 8.
पहले 8 आ
Total
जाएंगे
8.
वही ना
No,
तो
total 8.
8 कौन दी
Total 8 PC.
तो नहीं वो नहीं लगे समझ लो कि 10 पीसी का है हमारे पास 10 मैक एड्रेस है
हाँ हाँ.
तो उसमें से जो पहले 8 आएंगे वही एक्सेस करेगा या फिर मतलब पहला आ गया तीसरा आ गया इस तरह से
नहीं,
आगे
हम
बढ़ते
डिफाइन
जाएंगे
करेंगे, हम डिफाइन करेंगे आप।
नहीं
आठों
नहीं
के
नहीं
आठ
नहीं.
हम डिफाइन करेंगे
Means
कि
1
वही
to
मैक
8
एड्रेस
only
इस
number
कौन
you
से
will
पीसी
define.
में
See, 1 to 8 number you will define. So at the same time, 8 PC can communicate to their network. I mean our network. If ninth PC will come up, then it will start dropping that packet. In case we have 8 PC, right? MAC address A, B, C, D, like that. For example, A went down and we have removed. And for example, ZPC
ओके
came into network, right? Total, then that Z also
ओके
will be permitted. Okay.
ओके
Don't be confused. I will prove that. Don't worry. I will try to, do the lab. Violation, you can see 3. Protect, restrict, shut down. Shut down by default is a method. Okay. So these are the command we have. So go ahead and do that one command. Switch port security. Port security. This is enable the port security method. So first we will do sticky. I mean switch port security uh, MAC address. MAC address. Then sticky. You can put the MAC address as well as you can put sticky, or you can put the both combination. Sticky. Okay, and if you want to put the MAC address, you can put as well. I will do as a sticky. Okay, and sticky. That's done. And now second command is like maximum. Maximum we can put as a 1. MAC address. Only one MAC address. Maximum we can put as a 1. Okay, done. Enter. And this violation mode. Security violation mode shutdown by default, that one. And that's it. Now you can just go ahead and show the command. So port security. Okay, see, switch port security source. This is the source, means where this MAC address will come up. Maximum 1, current 0, security violates 0, means no one violate this rule as of now. Okay, so what I will do, I will connect one more PC here. Okay, this is not any policy and all, only I will do connect and I will configure and I will try to ping. Okay, that's it. Just do 1.1.1.1. Okay, done. Then we have second PC. Just configure as a second dot two. Oh, sorry, 1.1.1.2. That's it. And now just try to ping. Ping 1.1.1.2. It's pinging, right? Oh, sorry. It's on different VLAN. Sorry for that. Let me configure the VLAN. Interface F0/2. Switch port access. Switch port access VLAN 2. And done. Now you can ping this interface. It's not pinging? Yeah, it's pinging. Okay, fine. Now connected this. Earlier it was 0. Means it was not learned, right? Now what I will do, aging time, so port security, aging time, can we see? Aging time, we do not have address. See, this MAC address is learned. Aging time, I need to remaining age. This one I need to see. Maximum limit of system existing MAC address. Okay, total address on system. Okay, it's a never end. Means if you will use sticky, then might be it's shows as a never end. Means it will be same always. So just switch port security. This one. Now what I will do, I will ask to validate this rule. Okay. So what was the MAC address? Switch. Oh, sorry. Just you have multiple way. You can give if switch port security is enabled, you can use this method, or you can go and see the MAC address. So MAC address. So MAC address table. So this is the MAC address. See, this is matching, right? 3A98, 3A98. Okay. So this is the MAC address. What I will do, I will ask to validate the rule. Okay. So I will disconnect the PC. Okay. Now what I will do, I will connect this interface. Just same, take straight through cable, port number 1. Just connect this one. Ethernet. Okay, done. As soon as Hispanity is running, I will put C. It should generate a log. Might be log I have not set. To so interface status. Okay. So interface FL0/1. What the hell? 1 sec. It should be shut down. So log. Config T. Let me enable the log. Logging buffer. Volume 96. No logging console. Just I am in disabling. It's the same command which I have shown you in running configuration. I wanted to log this message. Now, so MAC address 398. What was that? 398. Okay, this one. It's changed, so it should it should stop actually. It should generate the log like this is violating the rule, and so MAC address. So switch port security. So port security address. Secure sticky, right? 3E98. And this MAC address BDE9 means this different MAC address, but still this rule is not applying. So we can say port should be shut down if it's getting different MAC address, because right now MAC address is different. T3E98 is we have set the rule. Okay, which MAC address learn first time, it will make that permitted state only. Those MAC address will be permitted. 3E98, right? But here MAC address is BDE9. So something went wrong in the this tool or something. So it should drop immediate. As soon as it will say different MAC address from this one, so it's take action as a shutdown. Okay, it's not happening. Might be some tool issue or something, but not sure. Now second thing, we need to configure the static MAC address. Okay. अबे बोलो चुप रहे. So MAC address here, port number 1. Now what I will do, I will configure this MAC address as a sticky MAC address, for example. I have shown you the automatic, how it's going to take secure stick. And if you want, you can configure the manual MAC address to permit from an interface. Okay. So what you will do, config t, go on under interface, 0/1, for example, and then switch port security, MAC address, and see, sticky I have shown you. Now configure the MAC address. So I will configure this MAC address. Give me a moment. 3E98. Learning right now, right? 3E98. No. Let's configure this MAC address. Take from here and configure the same. Total secure MAC address on the interface has reached. Okay. So I have given some command, might be number 1. Okay. Increase by, remove that command actually. 1 second. Somewhere I have given that command. See, I have given maximum number command. So I can put as a 2, or we can say as a no. See, it's taken the command. Now what I will do, I will initiate the traffic again. Check to check like everything is working. Okay, seems there is no configuration on the trace static, no IP. Let me configure it. After that, I will change the MAC address. Okay, done. It's working and all good, right? So port security, switch port security address. See this one. Now what I will do, I will change this MAC address. 3E98, we have given the secured configured and secured stick, means if you will give manual entry, you will get the type like that. If you will give like automatic learning, you will get like that. Okay, now just go and violate this rule. If all good, then let me see if any log we are getting, which I configured log servers. So log I have configured, but let's see if I'm getting. Now take just do one thing. Just change the MAC address of this PC itself. interface. So change MAC address 0001. Okay, see, it should be log, generate the log, but I'm not sure. It's not generating. Why? I'm not sure. This is two command only we need to run if you want to configure the log message. Where it is those command, let me show you as well. These two messages. Just define the login buffer as per your capacity of the device, and then no login console. That's it. This two command is required for you. Let me send you on the chat. This size can be up and down. Okay, done. But you can see the status of the interface as soon as you will change the MAC address. So interface fh0/1. It put into a reducible state. Why? Because we have set that method as a shutdown. Okay. If you want, you can use the protect kind of. Oh, sorry. If you want, you can use the protect. Now, how you will bring this port is up. For example, I have removed this PC. We identify so MAC address. So port security. So port security address. Sorry, address. Oh, what address? Now you can see. We cannot identify which is violated. We cannot see which is violated, like, but we can see might be, but I'm not sure. So MAC address. So MAC address table. Okay. So sometime what you will see in the real devices, you need to log in on the so log, and here you will see the MAC address of the device which is violated the rule. Okay. After that, you can take this MAC address and match here like this table. After that, remove this MAC address, find the device and remove this MAC address. Okay. That is how we are troubleshooting that port security. How you will do that? You will take the MAC address from the log, because as soon as port went down, in that case, you cannot see the MAC address table. As soon as any port went down, it will remove the MAC address table immediately. Okay. And now you can take the MAC address from here, find in the tool we have, right? Find that where PC is connected, PC is there, whom this PC is assigned. Okay. From MAC address, you can take serial number. From the serial number, you can find the owner of the device. If you can find the owner of devices, you can contact them and ask them to remove your PC from the network, or we are getting some violation, or you can put the investigation on it, right? So like that, you can do that. Now, second method is like protect. Sorry. Okay. Interface fh0/. Okay, how you will bring this port up? Okay. Now we are going to remove this PC. Okay. Now I'm going to connect this one. Okay, this is a permitted one, right? So just connect this. Okay. Now it's still down, right? This port should be up, right? So just you need to do one thing. Interface, go under the interface fh0/1 and give shut and no shut command. Shut and no shut command. You can do automatic as well. For example, we have command, but I'm not sure it will support or not. Error. We have command, right? Enable not auto recovery. We have a auto recovery command. Error auto recovery command is there, which we can list the port security as well in that. Uh, Default. What is the default? Let me see if I remember. I don't remember the command exactly, but let me see. default. No. Let me find in my notepad. Somewhere I written this auto recovery. I don't know where I written those, but should be somewhere. Okay, I will explain you later on. And unable to remember that command, but I will show you later on. We have error recovery command, so which we can set the time, like every 30 seconds it will keep checking that the device went out from the network or not. We should not do manual set and no set command. Okay, so we can use that. Now, second method is like just do quickly, man. I have one more topic to cover. So interface fh0/1. I will show only one mode, and other mode you can do yourself. Switch port security violation. I will put protect. Okay. What it will do? It will drop the packet, generate the log, but it will not put that port into irreducible state. Okay. So done. And we'll remove this shutdown one. Shutdown we will remove. Okay. No. If you want to remove any configuration, you could put no. Now I will change the MAC address here. It will not put that port into irreducible state, but it will drop the any kind of communication. So log. Let me see if any log I'm getting. No log. Why port is went into shutdown? So interface fh0/1. Give me one moment. Let me check the configuration. Is there any command? Switch port security maximum 2 sticky. Okay. No. Where is the violation mode? This command is automatically added, so don't worry. If you will see the MAC address, it will say sticky MAC address like that as soon as it's learn on the interface. Okay, that command is not applied. That's what it's showing like in shutdown state. Let me run the command again. Copy config t interface interface. Now switch port security violation restrict right. Done. Do so. Done. Okay. Now restrict. Now it will not shut down. So I forget the what was the you know MAC address. I should copy first. Okay, let me permit this. Okay, let me copy this. I will change it to mm, copy this copy this MAC address. Okay, and I'll copy this MAC address. We'll put this command which automatically came. Done. Now I will check manually. Okay, here in place fh0/1. Don't worry what I'm doing. Just Okay. Done. Now I will put set and no set. Set, no set. Done. Now it will be permitted. You can put the communication as well is happening. 1.2. Yeah, it's happening communication. Now what I will do, see, port will be up only, but communication will stop working here. If I will do restrict mode. Sorry. Done, right? Now, I will validate the rule now. Config MAC address, I will do 02. It's not permitted, right? And let me see again the configuration might be it's all good or not. Do so run. So violation is restrict, right? So in that case, just change that to enter. Now after some time communication will stop working. I think as soon as detected. See, detected communication stop working, but port is still up. And in company, what you will see, once you need to run the log, so log and the filter. This is the filter command and interface, then fast Ethernet, 0/1. Like that, you need to write the command. Here is not working filter and all, but in real devices, it will work. I will explain in real devices as well how it's working. So as soon as we filter, so whatever activity happen on the fast Ethernet 1/0/1, you will get all the interface information. So when it's went down, when it's up, why it's went down, why it's up, what was the last learn MAC address, and so on, right? Everything you will see. Now see, port is up, but communication is not happening because of protected and I mean restrict. Protected, no log generated, nothing. You will never identify like which PC was there, which is came, why is dropping. So always recommended to use either is shutdown, either is restrict only, not protected. And I have shown you that mode was set as a shutdown means what we called means first method, that is the default method. And second, which I wanted to explain about the hub kind of, right? Where is the hub? That is the real scenario, which let me see if hub I can get. So hub. Where is the hub? This is the hub. Okay, how many port is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 port, right? So I will allow 4 PC, right? So go ahead and just connect any one of the interface here. So and I will just I'll remove the configuration. Okay, I will fresh configuration of this interface. Okay, so I will configure 3 PC I will configure and 3 MAC address. Okay, 4 I will configure and fifth one only 4 I will permit. Once fifth one will come, what will happen? You will see. I will put the port as a always put as a restrict, or else entire port will be shut down, kind of. So I will put those method and check. So let's configure first this one because as I said, port number 3 should be as a static access, right? Abhi, port number billion one is okay, but I need to make as a static access. Switch port mode access. Full. Any doubt? Why I'm making the
No.
access port and mode? You all said right. You know why? What is the restriction in the port channel? So okay. So what I will do? I will enable the port security on this port first Ethernet. See, switch port security. Enable port security and switch port security maximum. How many number? 1 to 4. Total 4 PC will be permitted.
Yes.
Done. Oh. One, two, four. Why is not?
Maximum 4.
Oh, sorry. Maximum 4. Sorry, my bad. Maximum 4. And then define the method, violation method as port security violation. Which one you want to define? Just do define shutdown by default, and later we will change it.
Yes.
Shutdown and nothing else. Do so history. You can see these are the command I have run that. This command is not working. Okay. This enable the port security. This is maximum. This is the violation set. That's it. And this is enable the port security. Cool. Now let me configure one interface here. Interface VLAN 1. IP address, just configure IP address 1.1.1.100 255.255.255.0. Okay. No such. Just copy this MAC address. I will use the same MAC address to all. Okay. So IP, configure IP here. 1.1.1. Sorry. 1.1.1.1.1. Done. Here is 1.1.1.2. Here 1.1.1.3. Here is 1.1.4. Here 1.5. Why am I assigning this IP address? You will come to later. Come to later. 1.1.1.5. Because I will connect this PC later on. Done. Now, just put the communication. It's happening. Just check. Ping 1.1.1.1.100. I'm pinging the switch. This switch. To check all good. See, ping is happening, right? Is there any problem? No, right? So all good, right? There is a you can run sorry, Control Z. So switch port, so port security. So port security. See, maximum 2 is learning, and as soon as this one, I will also ping at least MAC address to learn that device. Oh. Ping 1.1.1.100. This is also will learn. This also learn like ping 1.1.1. Ping -t 1.1.1.100. Done. This also is done, but let me continue as ping -t. This one